They're early.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device.
Here we go.
The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio.
No.
Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available
Someone
good
went
weather
early.
day. Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated. Montgomery, San Jacinto, Trinity, and Walker. Repeating. Waller. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. The coastal waters forecast
For the
following
following